everyone, it's me, Chef Connie. Welcome back to my channel. It's me. I'm going to teach my nephew, Jesse, how to make Thai basil chicken. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to teach him. He's going to make it. Here he is. Jesse, come on over here. And I started filming this without pushing the button. This is an informal video, but we're going to put it on my YouTube channel. There we go. This is Jesse.
Hello.
Okay. Are you 17 or 18?
17.
He's 17. He plays football. But secretly, in Jesse's head and in Jesse's heart, and actually, Jesse made some delicious brownies from a mix I gave him. He is a secret chef. So today, I'm going to have myself and he forgot his name. Don't worry about it. Jesse make Thai basil chicken. He's going to make the Thai basil ground chicken today, or ground pork. I don't know. It's going to be Thai basil chicken or ground pork. We'll figure it out. Anyway, welcome back. Let's get this party started and I will show you our ingredients. All right, everyone, here we go with all these, what do you call these guys? Gnomes? Trolls? Gnomes. Okay, whatever. I don't know who the hell the gnomes are, but I'm in Jesse's mama's kitchen. That's right. We got gnomes everywhere. I hope they don't eat the food before we make it, but here we go. I will give you guys the ingredients, but I got my Thai basil, green onions, shallots, ground pork, people, ground pork. The soy sauce, fish sauce, oil, and then we need sugar for this. I'm going to put the full recipe in my description box. So let's get ready to cook. And Jesse is still here. Ta-da! There he is. That handsome guy who is a football player and a secret chef. All right, let's make the family's tummies happy. All right, folks, still into this informal video. I have Jesse right now pulling the leaves off of our Thai basil. He's doing a great job, I think, maybe, somewhat. Okay, he is. All right, everyone, we are back, and myself and my nephew Jesse been doing the thing. Sugar, the sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, green onions, ground pork, water, oil, green onions, shallots, Thai basil, and garlic. We've been doing the thing, chopping, cutting, slicing, and dicing. So I am ready to get busy, and Jesse's about to make all this deliciousness, so you will see me filming at the stove where I take a football player oh, and his hobby is photography, and I turn him into a secret chef. Here we go, everybody. Let's get to it. All right, folks, here we go. We are at the stove. Well, Jesse's gonna be at the stove. All right, Jesse, pick up your spoon. Let's get busy. First thing you want to do is turn your fire on. No, turn it on for real. It's okay. So he's turning the gas on, and now that he's blown us all up, I'm gonna turn it off so we can survive this particular craziness. All right, folks, we got that fire lit. I don't want to tell you how, but trust me, his mom helped us, and it was done very safely. So we got a fire. Now it's time for Jesse to get busy. What we're doing right now is we have our pan on like a medium-high heat, and we're letting it get warmed up. So give us a couple of minutes. We're going to let this get warmed up. All right, folks. Okay, thanks. Jesse's trying to give me more light. I don't know what the issue is here. All right, Jesse, it's time to get busy. I'm going to stand off to the side. Go ahead and throw your oil in there. Look at this. Put your oil in. There you go. Go on. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You cooking, man. There you go. All righty then. And then what you're going to do is swish that oil around. Now, pop in your garlic and your shallots. He's got this. You got this. You're doing good. Let's go ahead and scoop them in. Don't be, oh, you're scared, huh? Don't get popped though, right? Go fast. What the hell are you doing? Oh, Lord, man's stirring the bowl like he's making a doggone cake. Okay, you got more shallots too. I got another bowl of that. There we go, folks. And he's doing good. Just let it kind of cook. We got that high heat going on with this wok. He's gonna stir it again in a minute. You can smell it. All right, stir it again. All you're doing is bursting those flavors open. Look at this. Don't let this guy tell you nothing. He might be a football player, but he's an undercover chef. You ever heard of undercover boss? Well, he might be undercover boss cooker. All right, here we go. So we're letting that go on for about another minute. And then we're gonna throw the meat in there. Ooh, it smells good, like garlic and shallots. We already smell deliciousness. And we don't even have 2 ingredients in, actually 3 ingredients in there. All right, go ahead and give it another stir. Great job, look at that go. Look at him go. And he's breaking it up. Yeah, just let it cook and break it up. All right, everyone, look at this. Our meat is browning. Jesse's got this. Go ahead, Jesse, stir it around some more. And we are about to add our mixed, the soy sauce and the sugar and the fish sauce is mixed right here in this bowl. And we are about to add this into the chicken. So I'll go ahead and let our chef get busy. It doesn't have to be completely cooked right now, Jesse, because it's still gonna cook more. Go ahead and add your bowl of the soy sauce and everything. That's good. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and mix that in. Yeah, just let those flavors cook. There we have it, folks. We're mixing this in. We just put in the soy sauce mixture with the fish sauce and the sugar. It's mixing in right now. Jesse's doing his thing. All right, folks, look at this deliciousness. It's cooking. Pretty soon it's gonna caramelize. Look how delicious this is. So right now we've already stirred it a couple of times and we're just kind of letting it sit here and marinate and caramelize and all those flavors mingle. This dish is actually almost ready. Now it's time to turn this deliciousness off, and this is where we throw in our Thai basil leaves. Go ahead, Chef Jesse, turn off that fire and get your basil leaves. It's time to finish off this deliciousness. All right, folks, here we go. Look at this. This big old giant bowl of, ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. We had to do a big old giant package of Thai basil leaves because we are feeding a big family and we cooked 2 pounds of this. Go ahead, just stir it in. They will wilt right into the pan. These leaves will mix into the meat and the flavors are just bursting into this hot meat. Look at that. You're just stirring it in. It'll be, I just can't even talk with knowing how delicious this is going to taste. This is our Thai basil ground pork made by my nephew. I keep saying Jesse the football player because I don't want to call him Chef Jesse. That's too much competition for me. Doggone it. Now here we go, folks. In a few minutes, we're gonna do the deliciousness test. I'm gonna put the full description of this recipe and how to make it in my description box. All right, stop stirring, Mr. Football Player. Look at that deliciousness. Ooh, who's zooming in on deliciousness now? Woo. All right, folks, we're about to do the deliciousness, and we're gonna use his mama. That's right. We're gonna let her test it and see what happens. If she survived the deliciousness test, yay, then oh no, we're gonna have a delicious dinner. All right, here we go, folks. We're gonna do the rice right now and then make his mom, have his mother. Why did I say make his mommy taste this deliciousness? All right, everyone, we are back. Our rice is ready. Our Thai basil ground pork is ready. And now Jesse, a football player, AKA maybe chef, he's going to plate the food and we're going to look at it, and he's going to do we'll have his dad do the deliciousness test, because you know, guys are a lot tougher. So we'll have his dad and mom, we'll have them both do it. Yeah. All right, so we'll come back after we plate the food and show you what it looks like, and then watch them taste it. Mom and dad. All right. Okay, right now I have Jesse plating the food, and right now we started with the rice, and we used this cup, and then he's put the rice in this cup, smashed it in, and then turned it over. Here we go with this beautiful rice. And now we're gonna add the meat, and we'll show you what the full plate looks like. All right, folks, this dish is plated. Look how delicious it is. Getting a close-up of the rice and the delicious Thai basil ground pork, and you can see my shadow on this dish. And now we're going to go put it to the deliciousness taste test. Beautiful job, Jesse, the football player, sneaky chef, who knows. Now let's go give it to the parents and see what they think of this delicious.
But I guess if you have to do that, you have to do
Oh, you hear this? If we have to. Go ahead, John, Jesse's dad, tell us what you think.
That's good.
Okay, you hear that, folks? Somebody else doing a deliciousness test. In the background, we have a Western going, but that's okay, because you know, this guy is hungry, he likes deliciousness, and he loves Westerns. All right now we have Jesse in here. He is still making dishes for the family. Let me see this plate. All right, that's good right there. That's enough. All right. That's enough, because we already know. Look at this. This is a big family. There we go. Look at this guy cooking up deliciousness. All right, who's that going to?
Thank you.
Oh, good Lord. All right. Go ahead, Ezekiel. You need a spoon? Boy, look how big this guy is, taller than me. You better get your own doggone spoon. Oh, good Lord. All right, everybody, welcome back. And it's myself and my nephew, Jesse. We are here in that kitchen. We just finished creating deliciousness. Jesse, what is your take? How do you feel about creating all this deliciousness for your family tonight?
It was fun, and I enjoyed it.
He's so quiet, folks. It was fun, and he enjoyed it. But deep inside, in his mind, he's going, it was fun, and I enjoyed it. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh gosh, don't let me be the spokesperson for the family. Anyway, thank you for watching when you, and we all create more deliciousness. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right.